KidoVerse TV.
Hey kids, let's learn numbers today. Can you count with me? Let's go! 1, 1. Can you say 1, 1? Red ball. 2, 2, 2, 2. Say 2, 1, 2. Apple. 2, 2. 3, 3. Say 3, 1, 2, 3. Stars. 4, 4. 4, 4. Say 4, 1, 2, 3. 4 balloon. 9 big. 5. Say 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 cars. 6, 6. 6. Say 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6 flowers. 7. 7. Say 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6. 7 crayons. 8, 8. 8, 8. Say 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6. 7. 8 blocks. 9, 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 cupcakes. 10, 10, 10. Say 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You did great, kids. See you next time.